Hi, good night. Good nice. Good nice. Why does my words always seem to be doing that? I wanted to read this to you guys. Don't look at my hair. I did put some oil in things in because it's curly and it's a lot broken and it's falling out and my baby hairs are coming out, new hairs, as you can see. So yeah, but that's not the point. My point is, if you do have language translation on your phone or the app that translates languages, just do that. So I wanted to show you guys that this was my message for the day right now when I opened this little book, and it's like a little prayer. And it says the following. I don't know where to put it. I can just put it here. Like that. It says that it's in Afrikaans. That's why I said try just get the app and translate it. My daaglikse gebed. God, wees my rusplek en beskerming in tye van sorg. Verslaanheid en verwerping. Laat ek nie verval in selfverjammering, verdriet, maar liewer glo dat môre my iets beters bied. Laat ek kom wat wil. Onverstrokke wees. Laat daar sekerheid kom in my gees, dat ek net my Skepper van Vader hoef te vra om my in sy genade en liefde te dra.